Hi, it's Jonathan from Buildawebs, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a page in WordPress. The page that we'll be creating is just like this one here. We'll go through all the different options in the blog editor to add these in, and then we'll go in the settings behind pages so you can publish, schedule, delete, edit, restore pages, and learn all the basics. Later on in this video I'll show you how you can import a starter site and follow along with this video. So to create a new page, go into the WordPress dashboard and then go to Pages and then click Add New. Then give the page a name, so I'm going to call mine Contact, and then click Save Draft. That just saves the page. We'll then put in our first block. So if you click this plus button here, and we're going to put media and text in, choose media and text, and then choose media library. So I'm going to pick an image from here, choose this one, and then we'll add the content in. Let's make this bold. And then let's center it. Let's add a number in. And then let's put this below. There we go. So then click in the block and choose this option. And then choose duplicate. And then to switch it round, choose that. You can put it back. I like it like that. So let's put in an email. And let's change this image so you can replace it here. Let's go to the media library and let's choose a different one. So let's choose this one. There we go. So let's add a heading in now. If you go to the plus button and choose heading, and let's say send us a message. And then centralize it by clicking here, Align Text Center. Let's go to the plus button and search for columns. And click on it and choose 50/50. So in the first column we'll put an image, so you can search for image, choose image, and from the media library choose this one, choose select, and then on this one let's put a form in. So go to WP Forms and then choose Simple Contact. There it is, there's it done. Let's add another heading in. Choose heading. Let's call this Join Our Community. Let's centralize that. And let's add another form in, search for WP form. So this is a plugin which you can install, which allows you to create forms, surprisingly enough. You can add that in and choose the form. Choose newsletter sign up. That'll let you get email subscribers. So that's the page created. So we'll click Save Draft, and then you can preview it. So we'll preview it in a new tab. There you can see you've created a contact page in very little time at all. And the same sort of thing applies for different types of pages where you can use the block editor to create pages. So once it's done, you can click Publish, And if you just want to publish it straight away, hit publish. But say, for example, you wanted to schedule it, you could choose, for example, Sunday the 24th. You could choose a time, AM, PM, and then just hit schedule. If you want to reset it and just publish it immediately, just hit reset, and then you can just click publish. If, for example, you wanted it to only be available to admins and editors on the site, you can choose private, just cancel that. And then you can password protect it by clicking this. And then choose a password and hit publish. And only people you provide the password to will be able to see it. But we'll leave it publish. We'll leave it on publish for now. And then you can click publish here. And then it's live on the site and the page is available for people to see. So click on it. So here it is. Here's how it looks. You'll notice that here there isn't a contact menu page, which we would like. So you can go back into your WordPress dashboard and you can go to appearance and then menus. And see where it says contact on the pages section here. Click on it and then click on add to menu. And you can see it appears at the bottom. If, for example, you wanted to put it above blog, you can do that. But we'll just leave it where it was. Then you can click on Save Menu, and then when you go to the page, you'll see that the contact page is there, and there it is, available to use. Let's go back into the WordPress dashboard, and let's have a look at pages. So this is where all your pages will be saved and where you can come to edit them. You've got all pages, you've got published pages, you've got drafts, and if you delete anything, there'll be a trash folder there. So you can go into the contact page again by clicking edit. And if you change anything on the page, it'll ask you to update it. And then the changes are there to update. So because I've put an S on contacts there, it'll choose update. So if we change it to like contact us and choose update, it'll be live on the site. But you can also switch it to a draft. So if you click on switch to draft, it'll no longer be live on the site, it'll just be there to edit. And you can do that. So then if we go into pages, we'll see that it appears in the draft section. There, you can use quick edit to go in, and you could, for example, change the name or change different things in here. And you can go to status and then choose to publish it again, choose update, and it's live. So if we go back to pages, there's different options as well. Say for example we wanted to delete the page altogether, you can choose trash, and it then appears in a trash folder. You can delete it permanently, or you can restore it. If, for example, there was loads of pages that you wanted to delete in here, you can choose empty trash. But for now, let's restore it. If you choose restore, and then you can go in and edit the page if you want. But let's go back to all. See how it's here? You can click on quick edit, choose published under status and update. And then it's live on the site again. So if we go back to the site, there's the page, there's it live. To follow along with this video and import a starter site and the demo content included images, do the following. Go into your WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance, Themes. Then click on Add New. Then search for Blocksy. Hover over the Blocksy theme when you find it, then click Install. Then choose Activate. Then install the Blocksy companion by clicking here. Choose Skip. Then go to Starter Sites. hover over Web Agency, then click Import. Choose Next, choose Next, choose Install. It'll just take about a minute, then the site will be imported. And of course, all the demo content. Now go into Pages and then All Pages, and then send the contact page to trash, and then just remove it from the trash. I recommend going to the start of this video again if you're going to do it, follow it through, and you'll eventually come here and keep watching. So now you should be able to know how to create a page, publish it, schedule it, delete it, edit it, all the different settings that you need to know in the basic settings. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see future videos of mine. I'm Jonathan from Buildawebs, and thank you for watching the video.